Hundreds of Faulkner nurses could vote to authorize a one-day strike. They say they're outraged by the working conditions inside their hospital systems.
This coming just one day after nurses at Brigham and Women's in Boston voted to do so as well. So NBC 10's Manash Kungwari is in Jamaica Plain with that story.
Roughly 500 nurses here at Faulkner Hospital are at a tipping point as they continue to push for a new contract. And tonight, they plan to vote to potentially strike for one day if their list of demands are not met. The most notable of their demands are added measures to ensure the hospital remains adequately staffed and secure at all times, as well as a bump in pay, one that brings them in line with all Mass General Brigham nurses in the system. In response, a spokesperson for MGB saying the Faulkner Hospital is licensed as a community hospital with lower insurance reimbursements, and the salary reflects the differences. This battle has been going on since last October, but ultimately the two sides have been unable to reach a permanent agreement, prompting this vote. That vote comes one day after roughly 2,500 nurses at the Brigham and Women's location in Boston voted on a one-day strike of their own as they continued to push for a pay raise. They also want the ability to choose their own healthcare provider, added security measures to protect them from violent patients, and improved working conditions. As it relates to that, we were able to obtain these images of mice inside one of their cafeterias.
We don't want to be here. We have really been pushing the hospital. We've been pushing as hard as we can. We also have to be able to take care of our patients safely and effectively at all times.
After their vote to authorize a strike, the Brigham and Women's Boston nurses will go back to the negotiation table on August 8th. If their list of demands are not met then, they will set a date to strike, and they must give the hospital system at least a 10-day notice. Now, it should be noted, MGB executives say if nurses at the Boston location or here at Faulkner Hospital eventually go on strike, they still will be able to provide adequate care to all patients. Reporting in Jamaica Plain, Manash Kungwari, NBC 10 Boston.